AI versus humans. Can machines replace us? The rapid ascent of artificial intelligence, AI, from the realm of science fiction to a tangible and influential force in our world, has ignited a profound and multifaceted debate. Can machines ultimately replace humans in various domains? This question transcends mere technological curiosity, delving into the heart of our societal fabric, personal identities, and economic structures. The discourse surrounding the capabilities and limitations of AI stands at the forefront of contemporary discussions, fueling both excitement and trepidation. The march of AI. The evolutionary trajectory of artificial intelligence is nothing short of remarkable. Over the past several decades, AI has ceaselessly evolved from an abstract concept to a concrete and influential force in our daily lives. Its ascent can be attributed to the relentless pursuit of innovation, specifically in the domains of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These advancements have equipped AI systems with an unprecedented capacity to mimic and even exceed human cognitive functions. Today, AI stands as a formidable contender in areas once deemed the exclusive province of human intelligence. Whether it's an autonomous vehicle navigating intricate urban terrain, an AI-driven chatbot offering seamless customer support, or a recommendation algorithm predicting our preferences, the applications of AI are diverse, powerful, and increasingly ubiquitous. AI in the workforce. Foremost among the concerns precipitated by AI's ascension is its profound impact on the global workforce. As machines continue to enhance their cognitive capabilities, there is a palpable sense of trepidation regarding the potential displacement of human labor across various industries. The specter of mass job displacement looms large, and as AI systems increasingly outperform humans in tasks that were once solely within our purview, questions about the future of work and economic stability become ever more pressing. While some view AI as a tool that can augment human labor and free us from repetitive or dangerous tasks, others fear it as a harbinger of unemployment and socioeconomic upheaval. In industries ranging from manufacturing to finance, healthcare to customer service, the integration of AI raises profound questions about the nature of human work and the need for reskilling and adaptation in the face of automation. Ethical and moral considerations. Beyond the practical implications of AI's capabilities, there are profound ethical and moral considerations at play. As machines become increasingly adept at complex decision-making, the question of accountability and responsibility becomes paramount. Issues such as algorithmic bias, transparency, and the potential for AI to perpetuate and amplify existing societal prejudices demand critical examination. Furthermore, the development of autonomous AI systems capable of making life-or-death choices, as seen in self-driving cars and military applications, forces society to grapple with questions of moral agency and the delegation of ethical decisions to machines. Additionally, the proliferation of AI in surveillance, privacy infringement, and personal data manipulation has raised concerns about the erosion of civil liberties and individual autonomy. The quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI. As we ponder the potential replacement of humans by AI, the concept of artificial general intelligence, AGI, looms large. Unlike specialized AI, AGI seeks to replicate the broad and versatile cognitive abilities of humans. Achieving AGI represents a formidable challenge, as it requires machines to possess not only deep domain-specific expertise, but also the capacity to generalize knowledge across diverse domains. The quest for AGI is a testament to humanity's ceaseless curiosity and ambition, as well as an acknowledgement of the multifaceted nature of human intelligence. While AI has made astonishing progress in specialized tasks, the attainment of AGI remains an enigmatic frontier, and the question of whether machines could ever truly replicate the holistic cognitive capabilities of humans remains open-ended. AI and creativity and artistry. AI's encroachment into the realms of creativity and artistry is a captivating aspect of this discourse. Machines have been trained to compose music, create visual art, and even generate literature, challenging conventional notions of human creativity. AI's ability to analyze vast datasets and identify patterns can lead to novel and unexpected artistic expressions. Yet this incursion of AI into creative domains also raises questions about the nature of artistic authenticity, emotional resonance, and the essence of human creativity. Can machines truly replace the deeply personal and emotive aspects of artistry? Or do they serve as complementary tools that expand the horizons of human creativity? AI in healthcare and scientific discovery. The role of AI in healthcare and scientific discovery is another facet of this complex narrative. AI-driven diagnostic tools and predictive algorithms have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, enhancing early disease detection and treatment. Furthermore, AI's ability to sift through vast datasets and simulate complex processes accelerates scientific discovery in fields such as drug development, materials science, and climate modeling. The socioeconomic conundrum. As we delve deeper into the implications of AI, the socioeconomic conundrum comes into sharper focus. The ongoing automation of tasks that were once the purview of human workers raises profound questions about the distribution of wealth, employment opportunities, and societal stability. While proponents of AI argue that it can free humans from monotonous, dangerous, or physically taxing jobs, the reality of job displacement in certain sectors cannot be ignored. The need for robust policies addressing unemployment, income inequality, and education and training programs to equip the workforce for the AI-driven future is evident. AI and human uniqueness. Beyond the practical and economic dimensions of the AI versus humans debate, there is a profound philosophical and existential question. What defines human uniqueness, and can machines ever replicate it? Humans possess qualities such as creativity, empathy, moral reasoning, and emotional depth that are deeply ingrained in our nature. While AI systems can simulate elements of these qualities, they do not possess genuine consciousness, emotions, or subjective experiences. The quest to replicating human-like consciousness, often referred to as artificial general intelligence (AGI), remains an elusive frontier. The collaborative future. In the ongoing debate about AI's potential to replace humans, it is essential to recognize that AI does not necessarily represent a zero-sum game. Rather than framing the discussion as a binary choice between humans and machines, we can envision a collaborative future where AI augments human capabilities. AI systems, with their ability to analyze vast data sets, detect patterns, and perform repetitive tasks, can serve as powerful tools that enhance human decision-making, creativity, and problem-solving. This synergy between human expertise and AI capabilities has the potential to address complex challenges in fields as diverse as healthcare, climate science, and artistic creation. The AI versus humans debate is a multifaceted, profound, and ever-evolving discourse that encompasses technology, ethics, economics, and the very essence of what it means to be human. While AI has made remarkable strides in replicating and even surpassing specific human capabilities, the question of whether machines can genuinely replace us remains open to interpretation. AI's impact extends beyond the pragmatic concerns of workforce displacement to encompass ethical, moral, and existential considerations. Whether viewed as a tool that augments human potential or a harbinger of challenges and uncertainties, AI's march forward invites us to reflect on our evolving relationship with technology and the intricate tapestry of human existence in an increasingly automated world. Ultimately, the answer to whether machines can replace us lies not only in the capabilities of AI but also in the choices, values, and intentions of humanity as we navigate this transformative journey. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.